Real good.
Yeah.
Real good.
Thank you.
Let's do an end on.
Yes, sir.
All right, so obviously you can see the difference on when you have that proper setup when you're making sure you're hitting down on it, right? And the biggest thing I think for you is going to be got to get a little bit of that weight on your front leg,
Okay.
right? Because when you're thinning a couple early on, your weight was kind of back, or might have felt even neutral to you.
Yeah.
But to me, it was back a little bit, so that's causing you to come through.
Come up on it.
Yeah, exactly. So like I said, this drill, stop by, ask us, come out, paint your line. We'll gladly do it for you.
Okay.
It's an easy one, really simplest one for just making sure you're staying down throughout the shot. That is your issue with short game.
Yeah.
But I mean, you can do it. You can even kind of do it at home. Take a quarter, a penny, some kind of coin. Even if you're just, you're in your living room on the carpet, swinging on the carpet. All you'll do is just kind of put that coin, a little bit in front of where you have the club set up.
Yeah.
Just make sure you're hitting that coin.
Yeah.
Don't hit it with the sole of the club. Hit it with the actual bottom of the face.
Yeah.
Kind of get it some air.
Okay.
That'll let you know that you're staying down through it.
Yep.
And then we went and hit bunker for a little bit. Your bunker shot, it's good. Only, like I said, the only thing you really need to work on is, you have a little bit of inconsistent contact with it. So you really need to focus on that 2 inches behind the balls where you make contact.
Yeah.
Make sure you're following through.
And not play for spin.
Exactly. And you need to find where, just like chipping, you need to find that spot where you want to land it and let that ball roll out. You're not gonna be able to land this ball out of a bunker 2 feet short of the pin and get it to one hop and stop on a dime.
Yeah.
We're not Phil Mickelson, so
play smart golf.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And it's simple when you can do what you're supposed to do and not try to play that hero style golf.
What I'm capable of.
Exactly. So I mean, good lesson. I'll see you again next week.
Yes, sir.
We'll start here, or we'll check out here, see if we need to work out anything else here. If not, you let me know what you want to do in the meantime. And that's those four practice sessions you had last week after our lesson. Do it here this week.
Yeah.
Maybe not do all of them here.
Yeah.
Still want you to practice those irons at full swing.
Yeah.
But definitely dedicate at least half of them to short game here.
Yeah.
Really get that feel. Once you can step up to a ball, know your distance, and say that's a half swing, 60 degree.
Yeah.
The game gets a lot much simpler, and practice from different yardages. Go back to, instead of 50 yards, go back to 60, and test it out. Okay, should I go with a little bit bigger of a swing with the 60, or should I go half swing with my 56 degree?
Yeah.
Because that's the only way that I've figured out for myself even how to play inside of 100 yards.
Yeah.
I try to keep the same half swing, and I just go with a different wedge.
Yeah.
But for you, that might not be the best case. For you, maybe you can tell that half swing, 60% swing, whatever the case may be.
Yeah.
That could be what works best for you.
Okay.
So, stop in, ask us for some paint.
Yeah.
We'll come out, paint you a line. Maybe even leave the spray paint with you so you can just keep going.
Yeah.
And then out of the bunker, you said, find that spot you want to land it. Find that 2 inches behind, draw that little line 2 inches behind the ball while you're practicing. Game will come back to you easy.
Yeah.
Awesome. I'll see you next week.
Appreciate it. Yeah. Thank you.
Yep.